Hello, I'm Julia with American Frontline Nurses. I am going to show you how to calculate honey for a weight-based dose. Now keep in mind that this calculation is based off of the thickness of honey. If you were doing a calculation on the computer, online, it could be a little bit different, but because it's honey, we can have a little bit of difference with our weight-based calculation, but this is going to give you a pretty accurate weight-based calculation. We have a sheet that we use that we will show you how to be able to do the weight-based calculation. So on here, it has pre-filled out calculations for you for the early intervention IMASC protocol that we use. So it's going to give you the early intervention kilos and how many tablespoons that you need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to calculate this out for you so that you can see how we're going to do this. And I'm going to flip my camera over to be able to do this for you. And we have got body weight pounds to kilos. So 70 to 90 pounds equals 32 to 40 kilograms, which means you would need 32 to 40 grams of honey. So it's 1 gram per kilogram for the calculation. That calculates into 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of honey that you would use. And we've got some notes here. So this honey that we're calculating is going to be for the Nigella sativa dosing. So you want to make sure that you take your honey with the Nigella sativa dose at the same time. This can be mixed together with the honey and the Nigella sativa if you are using the oil or the seeds, or you can make a tea and take the capsules. And then for diabetic patients, you want to remember that you need to regulate your sugars and monitor your sugars more frequently and maybe adjust your dose accordingly due to the increased possibility of blood sugars. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started here with the math-based formula for honey. So I'm going to calculate at 185 pounds, and I'm going to show you on the calculator. So 185 pounds divided by 2.2 equals 84.09, and we're going to round that up to 84.1 kilograms. And then we're going to times that by 0.5 to get our amount of tablespoons that we need for our honey. So it comes to 4.2 tablespoons. We're going to round down and we're going to do 4 tablespoons. If you wanted to round up and do 4.5, that is perfectly okay, as long as you're not diabetic and you don't have any issues with your blood sugars. So that, folks, is how you do weight-based calculations for the IMASC protocol for honey weight-based dosing. Thank you very much. And as always, we thank you for supporting our cause, American Frontline Nurses. If you're able to donate, please go to our website and go to AmericanFrontlineNurses.com. That allows us to be able to use our Telegram channel that we help everybody that we can through our chat, Ask an Advocate chat. And then also it helps us with our Ask an Advocate on Tuesdays and Thursdays Zooms. Thank you for watching.